Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to find classes on your Canvas account. Once you're on the Crafton Hills website, you're going to click on Logins, which is located on the top right corner. After you click on Logins, you will get a drop-down menu. Go to the first one, which is Online Classes or Canvas. If you have not already set up your Canvas account, we have a video tutorial that helps with that process. If you have set up your account, it will take you to the logins page. You can use your student email and your password, or it will automatically log you in, like on my screen. You should see your classes in the dashboard. However, sometimes the course is not visible because the instructor has not published the class yet. If so, don't worry. You can go to the Courses, then All Courses. All of your classes should be visible even if the class is not published yet. If you need further assistance, please contact the Transfer and Career Center at 909-389-3399.